Apples for sex. Here's how they boost your libido. Want to ignite your sex drive naturally? Believe it or not, a humble apple could be your bedroom's new best friend. Packed with nutrients that boost energy, improve blood flow, and melt away stress, apples are a surprising ally for your sex drive. Stay tuned to discover how this everyday fruit can transform your love life. Welcome to the Health Action Channel, your trusted source for science-backed wellness tips to live your most vibrant life. In this guide, Apples for Sex. Here's how they boost your libido. We reveal how apples, yes, the classic fruit, can supercharge your sexual wellness. Beyond keeping the doctor away, apples are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and natural sugars that enhance blood flow, elevate energy, and reduce stress, all key to a thriving libido. Whether you're looking to spice up your intimate moments or support long-term sexual health, we'll share expert insights and practical ways to incorporate apples into your diet for a satisfying boost. Get ready to take a bite out of better intimacy. Libido, or sex drive, is your desire for sexual activity, influenced by physical, emotional, psychological, and social factors. A healthy libido supports emotional well-being and strengthens intimate relationships, but it naturally fluctuates over time, as noted in the Encyclopedia of Endocrine Disease. Apples, packed with essential nutrients, offer a natural way to enhance your sex drive. Here's how they work. Apples are rich in quercetin, a powerful flavonoid with antioxidant properties. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlights how quercetin helps relax blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow throughout your body. This is crucial for sexual health because a healthy circulatory system ensures that oxygen and vital nutrients can reach all areas, including your intimate zones. Apples are a natural source of energy, primarily from their simple sugars, fructose and glucose. As Dr. Bala notes, these sugars are easily and quickly absorbed by the body, giving you an immediate boost. This makes an apple a perfect snack to eat before or during intimate moments to improve your stamina and endurance. Unlike many processed snacks that cause a quick spike and then a sudden crash, the natural sugars in apples, combined with their fiber content, provide a more sustained release of energy. This helps you stay vibrant and engaged for a longer and more fulfilling experience. By providing a steady fuel source, apples help you maintain your energy levels without the negative side effects of a sugar crash. Stress and digestive issues can significantly impact your libido, but apples offer a natural solution. The fruit is packed with dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber like pectin. This type of fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and a balanced gut microbiota, as highlighted in a study from the Journal of Food Science. A healthy gut is a key player in your overall well-being, including your sexual health. When your digestion is running smoothly, you experience less bloating, discomfort, and inflammation, all of which can be major libido killers. By improving digestion, apples also help your body absorb the vitamins and minerals it needs to function at its best, which is crucial for sexual health. Beyond the physical benefits, a well-functioning digestive system is also linked to lower stress levels, helping to create a calmer mindset that is much more open to desire and intimacy. Apples contain phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that can help promote hormonal balance, especially in women. Along with other key nutrients like vitamin C and B vitamins, these compounds support overall hormonal health. This is vital for maintaining a healthy libido because hormones play a significant role in regulating mood and sexual responsiveness. By providing these subtle yet effective compounds, apples can be a natural ally for supporting intimacy and a healthy sex drive. The antioxidants in apples, such as quercetin and vitamin C, are crucial for fighting oxidative stress and inflammation. These two factors can significantly impact your sexual health by causing cellular damage to tissues and blood vessels. By neutralizing these harmful effects, apples help maintain the integrity of your body's systems. This supports healthy blood flow and overall vitality, which are essential for long-term sexual function and wellness. Incorporating apples into your diet is easy and delicious. Here are creative, libido-boosting ways to enjoy them. Start your morning with a crisp, juicy apple. Its natural sugars provide an immediate energy boost, helping you feel refreshed and vibrant. This simple habit can set a positive tone for your day and get you ready for intimacy later on. For a dessert that satisfies your sweet tooth and supports your sexual health, consider swapping out sugary treats for an apple-based alternative. You can easily bake a few apples with a dash of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey for a warm, comforting dessert. Or try a simple apple crumble made with oats and nuts. These options are delicious, satisfying, and packed with nutrients that can help boost your libido without the sugar crash. Make a vibrant salad with sliced apples as the star ingredient. Add in walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and berries, which are all known to have libido-enhancing properties. Toss it all together with a light vinaigrette. This makes a refreshing meal that can help boost your desire. Turn your daily smoothie into a powerful tool for your sexual health. Start with a base of chopped apples and then blend with other libido-friendly ingredients. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which is great for circulation, and Greek yogurt provides protein and probiotics for a healthy gut. Throw in a handful of spinach for extra vitamins and minerals, and a touch of honey for natural sweetness and energy. This nutrient-packed smoothie is a delicious way to energize your body and support your sexual well-being from the inside out. A simple drink you can add to your routine is a mixture of 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Drinking this before a meal can significantly aid digestion and help reduce bloating. By improving your digestive health, you can feel more comfortable and energetic. This improved overall wellness and comfort can indirectly have a positive effect on your libido. Enjoying unsweetened applesauce is a convenient and healthy way to incorporate the benefits of apples into your daily diet. You can eat it on its own as a quick snack or use it as a versatile topping. It pairs wonderfully with oatmeal, yogurt, or even a slice of whole grain toast. This option allows you to enjoy the natural energy and fiber of apples without any added sugars, making it a simple, delicious, and libido-friendly choice. To make a hydrating and delicious drink, try infusing water with apple slices. Add a cinnamon stick and a hint of honey for extra flavor. This beverage is rich in antioxidants, which helps support your overall vitality and sexual wellness. It's a simple way to stay hydrated while enjoying a naturally flavorful and health-boosting drink. For a simple yet powerful snack that supports your libido, try pairing apple slices with almond or peanut butter. This combination is an excellent source of healthy fats, fiber, and natural sugars. The healthy fats in the nut butter provide sustained energy, helping you avoid a crash. The fiber from the apple keeps you full and aids in digestion, while the natural sugars give you an immediate boost. This nutrient-dense snack works to sustain your energy levels and enhance. For maximum benefits, pair apples with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management practices to optimize sexual health. While apples are generally safe and beneficial, moderation is key. Consider these precautions. Apple seeds contain trace amounts of amygdalin, which can release cyanide in large quantities. Avoid chewing or swallowing seeds to prevent potential toxicity. Some individuals may be allergic to apples or fruits in the rose family, e.g., peaches, cherries. If you experience itching, swelling, or discomfort, consult a doctor. Eating too many apples, especially for those with sensitive stomachs, may cause gas, bloating, or diarrhea due to high fiber content. Stick to 1 to 2 apples daily. Apples' natural sugars and acidity can affect tooth enamel. Rinse your mouth with water after eating to protect your teeth. Apples are more than just a nutritious snack. They're a natural way to boost your libido and enhance sexual wellness. Their quercetin supports blood flow, natural sugars boost energy, and fiber reduces stress and promotes digestion, all contributing to a healthier sex drive. By incorporating apples into your diet through snacks, desserts, or smoothies, you can enjoy their benefits while adding variety to your meals. For lasting results, combine apples with a holistic approach to wellness, including exercise, stress management, and open communication with your partner. If libido concerns persist, consult a healthcare provider to explore underlying causes. Ready to spice up your love life with the power of apples? Subscribe to the Health Action channel for weekly videos packed with expert wellness tips and practical advice. Hit the bell icon to stay updated and share your favorite apple recipes or questions in the comments below. Visit healthactionchannel.com for more sexual health resources and follow us on X for daily tips to keep your passion alive. Take a bite out of better intimacy today. Your vibrant love life awaits.